Hello students, now today in this session I will explain question number 3 and 4 of exercise 11.3. Now in question number 3 it is said that the circumference of circular sheet is given 154 meter, and what do you have to find it out? You have to find out the radius and then the area. Why the radius has been asked first, not the area, is because we know the formula of area is pi r square, isn't it? So until unless we do not know the value of radius, we won't be able to put it here and we cannot get the value of area. So the first thing that we have to get is the value of radius. Now how to get the value of radius? It is from this first sentence, that is the circumference of a circular sheet. Means we can say the circumference of a circle is given. So the first sentence that we'll write is circumference of circle is what? What is the value given? 154 meter. Now this 154 meter is the value. Now we'll compare this 154 meter with the formula of circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r is equals to 154 meter. And why we are doing this? Because when we'll compare the formula with the value, then we'll get the value of r. Okay, so our main objective is to get the value of r first. So that is, the next step would be, in place of pi we'll put the value of pi, which is equivalent to 22/7 into r is equals to 154 meter. Now we'll multiply this 2 into 22. So what the product would be? 44/7 into r is equals to 154 meter. Now we have to transpose this particular fraction towards the right hand side so that we can get the value of r. So 154 into 7 will be multiplied with 154, that is 7/44. Okay, now let's reduce this. Now if we reduce this 154 and 44, then there is a number that is 7. With 7 you can reduce. No, not with 7. With 22 you can reduce. Okay, that is 22 sevens are and 22 twos are. Okay, so the answer would be 49/2 meter. So if you reduce this, so 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 24.5 meter. So your radius is 24.5 meter, or you can keep this also. Okay, as because in the question they have asked what is the value of radius, so better give your answer in this form, that is in decimal form, that is 24.5 meter. Now what is the second part of the question? The second part of the question is area. You have to find the value of area. Now before that we need to write the formula, that is area is equals to pi r square, isn't it? Now what is the value of pi? 22/7. Now instead of writing the decimal part, that is, see, we can take this part also as a radius and this part also as a radius. So when you're going for a calculation, I will always recommend you to go for the fractional form. It will be much easier. So in place of r we'll put 49/2, and it is whole square, isn't it? So now again we have to write it in the expanded form, that is 49/2 into 49/2. Now see, it will be very easy. You can easily reduce it. 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49, 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are, now no more number is there. So 11 into 7 into 49, and whatever the product would be, you have to divide it by 2. Okay, and give your answer in centimeter square form. So I am not doing the calculation, students. You have to do the calculation and produce the final answer. It's very easy. Just multiply 77 into 49. Whatever the product you will get, you divide it with 2 and give your answer here. The unit should be centimeter square. Okay, no, it's not centimeter square, it will be meter square. Okay, so this is the solution of sum number 3. So let's move on to sum number 4. Now, question number 4 is, there is a gardener who wants to fence a circular garden. So this is a garden which is in the shape of a circle. Fine. Now, he wants to fence this garden, okay, with a rope. Okay, so I'm reading out the question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 221 meter. Okay, students. So the diameter of the circular garden is given. That is the diameter, the length. This particular length is given as 21 meter. It is given. Fine. Now find the length of the rope. Now now the gardener needs to fence this particular circular garden with a rope, and he needs to make two rounds. Okay. So if he wants to fence the circular garden, then what he is doing? He is completing the whole circle. That is, he has to cover this whole outer boundary of the garden. So in other way, we can say that we have to get the circumference of it, isn't it? Because ultimately you have to get the total length of the rope. Okay, the total length of the rope would be equal to the circumference of the circle. Fine. So the diameter is given what? The diameter is given 21 meter. So we do not need diameter because in the formula it is given radius. So radius will be equal to d by 2. That is 21 by 2 meter. Now, so one complete circle is equals to what? Circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle, isn't it? So we have to get the circumference of this garden. Okay. Now that will be equals to, what is the formula? 2 pi r. 2 pi r means 2 into 22 by 7, and that is equals to 21 by 2. That is 21 by 2. Now reduce it. 11, 3. Now it will be 2 into 11 into 3, which will be equals to 66 meter. So if a gardener wants to fence this entire garden, then the length of the rope would be 66 meter. But the gardener wants to make it a double round. So what will be the total length now? The total length of the rope would be, so the total length of rope would be equals to 2 into 66. Okay, because for one round it he will need 66 meter. For 2 rounds, how many meters he will need? He will need 132 meter. Okay. Now finally we have to find the cost. That is, the cost of 1 meter is given 4 meter. Okay, that is cost of 1 meter rope is given rupees 4. Okay, the cost of 1 meter rope is given 4. So what is the total length that he needs to find? He needs to bring 132 meter. So how much it will cost? So therefore, cost of 132 meter rope would be equals to 132 into 4. So this multiplication you all have to do it by yourself, and this is the final answer. Okay, I hope you found it easy. So for this session, the consecutive period that we are having, you will complete this question number 3 and question number 4. Okay students, I hope you enjoyed. If any problem you are facing, please let me know in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you and God bless you all.